My name is Rita Deak and I'm a portrait photographer. Yeah, I'm taking photographs professionally, making a living out of this for the past 17 years. They run by really fast. I used to work on cruise ships as a photographer for about 13 years. And I traveled the world. I've been all over the places, and I'm really grateful for this birth experience that my profession took me all over the planet. Very passionate about taking lovely family memories or photographing special occasions like weddings or engagements. My specialty basically is to take photographs in available light in outside locations. For example, the Fagnabe Playa is a lovely place to take lovely portraits, and the nature of the island is very beautiful. This idea of the Foto Lindo is based on giving you an experience and as well capturing the moments of that experience. It can be as simple as a nice day on the beach, having fun with your children, or it can be as nice as a walk in the sunset, for example. I like to work with the Fuji cameras. They give me the confidence about the quality of the images, and they are very enjoyable to work with. I'm in love with the Fuji cameras. I work with a girl, her name is Dominica, and she's the one who's taking care of the reservations, the bookings themselves. Also, she is keeping in touch with our clientele and helping me organizing these photo sessions. We worked together for the past year and a half, and she's great help because I'm, to be honest, a little bit shy approaching people and explaining about my services. So she's a great help for me with opening up to everybody who's interested in having a nice photo session. What we do that is unique, I believe, is that we don't charge ahead of time a sitting fee, and there's also no obligation to purchase the images. Most of the time we have such a good time that you will have a really nice collection of beautiful images that they capture your happiness, your joy, and these photos, they can become family heritage. I pay attention a lot on the thought behind having even just simple vacation photographs. If you're visiting us on Tenerife, I would be very happy to see you in person and have some nice photographs for you. You can reach out to me through the Instagram or through the website, and I will be very happy to meet you and discuss what kind of photographs you would like to have by me. I hope you like the style of my work, and I'm really looking forward to work with you.